Welcome to You Talk AI. Imagine a world where creating and training AI models is accessible to everyone without the high costs or closed source restrictions. Sounds interesting, right? Today, we're diving into OpenCanvas, a free, open-source alternative to OpenAI's Canvas. If you're excited about the future of AI and are interested in accessible tools, stick around to learn how OpenCanvas might be the answer to creating your own AI projects with freedom and flexibility. So, what is OpenCanvas? At its core, OpenCanvas is an open-source tool designed to make AI model development accessible to everyone. Unlike proprietary platforms that restrict access to their code and algorithms, OpenCanvas is entirely open source. That means anyone can download, view, and even modify its code to create their own unique AI models. This freedom can be a game changer, especially for those who want to customize their AI tools for specific tasks, or even build entirely new applications. Why is this open source approach so important? Open source software like OpenCanvas is about more than just free access. It's about transparency, collaboration, and creativity. With proprietary platforms, we don't always know how decisions are being made by the AI, which can be a major issue in areas like privacy and accountability. OpenCanvas changes this by giving users complete visibility into its workings. If you want to know how an algorithm makes decisions, you can look directly at the code. This transparency helps build trust in AI systems and allows developers to create fairer, more ethical models. Now you might be wondering, if it's free and open source, does OpenCanvas really compare to a big-name platform like OpenAI's Canvas? The answer is yes, and in some ways, it can even offer more. OpenCanvas provides a suite of tools for creating, training, and deploying AI models. From natural language processing to computer vision, it supports a wide range of applications. Let's talk about cost for a moment. Developing AI models on proprietary platforms can become expensive very quickly, especially if you're running multiple projects or need a lot of compute power. OpenCanvas eliminates this barrier. Because it's free and can run on various types of hardware, including local servers, you don't have to worry about recurring fees. This is especially useful for small businesses, students, and independent developers who want to experiment with AI without a major financial commitment. In other words, OpenCanvas makes powerful AI tools accessible, no matter your budget. What's also exciting is the customization options. Unlike closed-source platforms, where you're often restricted to preset tools and processes, OpenCanvas is flexible. If you're working on a specific project, say, building an AI for image recognition in healthcare, you can optimize your model specifically for that. You can integrate custom datasets, fine-tune the model's parameters, and even change the way it processes information. This level of customization means you can create AI that's highly specialized, rather than relying on general-purpose models. Another key point is data privacy. When you're using a proprietary platform, you might be uploading sensitive data to external servers, which can raise privacy concerns. With OpenCanvas, you can run everything on your local hardware. That means your data stays with you, reducing the risk of data leaks or unauthorized access. In fields like healthcare, finance, and education, this is a huge advantage. It gives users control over their data and ensures that their AI models are built with privacy in mind. As we think about the future of AI, OpenCanvas raises an important question. What could we create if everyone had equal access to powerful AI tools? How would the world change if knowledge and innovation were shared freely, rather than restricted by high costs and proprietary barriers? That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. More to come? See you next time.